Okay, so here's the next batch of people that we're trying out, and some are showing that there's been some leads, but this just happened late last night, so we'll see what happens with this. And here there's it looks like maybe, yeah, we'll have to see what happened with these. So this is where it starts. So let me just pick one, and we'll go from there. So as it says here, after you create a new ad set and make a significant edit, our system starts learning the thing. Okay, so here's the ad, right? Let's see if we can get this moved up. Okay, so here is the ad, right? And then when they click on this, okay, so then after you click on the ad, it'll take you here, and it says, want the complete list, or thank you for requesting it, just click here. And you click on here, and it takes you to this page, which has all the open houses for the area that you want. But then it gives you this choice where, and I have to get the wording better, but then it goes here where it's, click here to get updates sent weekly or the day they hit the market, cancel anytime. So then you click here. Okay, so sorry, and this stuff here, this is from the other thing I was making a couple other videos. So now just look at this part, welcome Glenn, thank you for subscribing. What this does is it's already in the client's account as a lead, and then so we click on that, and I want a condo. Now this is not a bot you can buy from the bot store. This is totally custom programming, and it's tied to each client. So you just can't get it and then turn it on and it's going to work for your site. It has to be programmed, customized. But once it is, you get a really good good thing. Price range. So and okay. So would you like to receive property updates? And yes, please. And that's it. So now when we look into the client's IDXBroker account, and there I am 1.6 minutes ago, and it's saved everything and set it up to where I'm going to get notification of the type of property that I'm looking for. So I got the open house list, and now I'm going to get updates as they hit the market. And this is not, again, this is not something that you can get anywhere else. It's been developed by myself and Alan McNichols from McNichols Design, and basically, so like I said, you can't get it from. You can just go buy it for $5 or have someone else do it. They're not, you can go try and hire somebody, but they're not going to understand the IDXBroker integration like Alan does. So, okay, I hope you get excited because the leads are going to come in. We have someone else that we've tested it on, and in the past, since December 4th, they've gotten 50-something leads, and at a cost of $11 a lead, but that's because we were fooling around. We're going to get the cost down. We want to get it down to like $8 a lead, and we'll do what we can to make that happen. Okay, so, and something else I forgot to mention is that you get a lead notification. So the agent, because we were playing around with his, he got a lead notification, and then I just did one, and this is what it gets sent out automatically. So there's no more having to worry about CRM and stuff like that. The system will automatically set things up. So for those of you that don't have a CRM, it's actually pretty good because the system will work, right? And then the chatbot, like this level of chatbot right now, is a basic. Well, it's advanced, but it's a basic as far as talking to the client. So what's going to happen is that in the next versions of what we're doing, we're going to make it to where so like today someone signed up, right? So then a week from now, the bot will come back and say, hey Glenn, how'd you like the list of open houses? And is there anything interesting that's come through from the email alerts that you're getting with properties? I hope you're doing well. See ya. You don't tell them, hey, call me. You don't look desperate, but you just talk to them. And the bot, so then the first week it's going to say, hey, what's up? The next week it's going to say, hey, you're looking to buy a property. Do you have a buying guide? Click here and get the PDF absolutely free. And then it downloads them a buyer's guide. Then the next week you say, hey, hope you guys are doing good. You probably looked at a lot of properties right now. I've got a property shopper guide that you put all the properties in, and then you rate each room and you rate the pros and cons of the area, and then when you're done, you see that what property statistically based upon your feelings might be the choice, and so download this now. So what's happening is the bot's going to be talking to them. Which is way more effective than an email. The email, crap of the past, people only open that up 20-something%, right? With messenger marketing, they open it up 90% of the time. And if you don't make it salesy and you don't put a whole bunch of like icons and all this crap that makes it look cheesy, and it looks like a real conversation, then these people will. Well, so they're busy. They see the message, like, oh, okay, cool. They download it, boom, or they see the list, and all of a sudden, like, oh, I need to get back to them, and they because in the bot conversation, there's going to always be a spot where call us, and they hit call, and bam, they're talking to you. So far, we just started this. We came up with it about a month ago with this. We've had bots. We just started using bots the past few months, but we're doing this to the point where we should have it refined by the end of the month, and by February we should have a killer marketing system that is way better than anything else out there, beats conventional CRM email, and then gets it to where you're getting more, the leads that do come in interact with you better than before. Okay, that's it for now. Thanks.